Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the VersaBeam Penlight by Farpoint. This is a really awesome, compact, and super bright mini flashlight that you could take with you just about anywhere. Now, this light actually dishes out 200 lumens, which is super impressive for a light of this size, and the great thing about it is that it's super simple to operate. It has just a single push button operation, and the button on here is really nice. It gives a lot of feedback, and overall, the build quality on here is awesome. The whole thing is made out of aluminum, it's waterproof and super durable. Now, its compact size makes it great to keep in your glove box, and it even comes with a little pen clip here which you can use to stick in your breast pocket, your pocket of your jeans, or in your tool bag, where I like to keep it nice and accessible, where I can grab it really quickly when I need to use it. Now, unlike other similar pen lights on the market, this one actually has an adjustable beam. So by sliding the head forward and backwards, you can actually go from a spot to a flood focus depending on what you're using the light for. Hey guys, just wanted to note that our very popular Farpoint pen light now comes with a pen screwdriver for free. This is the same price as the original pen light, but now we've thrown in this complimentary bonus, and man, does it complement that pen light. It's about the same size, it has that pen design, it's super durable, and it even comes with 8 precision bits, which you can swap out easily, and all the bits actually stored directly inside the pen. So this value just got a whole lot better. Head on over to the site and grab your kit today.